What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp when you are actually online. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you are on WhatsApp, go into your settings, there select account and next tap on privacy. And once you are on privacy, tap on last seen and there switch to nobody, so nobody will be able to see your currently online status and nobody will be able to see where you was last seen. And there is one more thing to do, is toggle off that option, read receipts. When you toggle it off and when you read some new messages, the two gray check marks never becomes blue check marks, so nobody gonna know if you are actually read their messages. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next